Preparation Swagatam. And today's this series is being started for targeting Apsc Prelims, and this is the general studies paper. Last class of me one important question last class to discuss question. Let's come to the first question of today. Today's first question is that consider the following statements regarding Finance Commissions of India. Finance Commission is set up under Article 280 of the Constitution. Second statement, Union Finance Minister acts as the ex officio member of the Commission. Third, the Commission addresses the imbalances that arise between the taxation powers and expenditure responsibilities of the center and the states, respectively. Now, you need to say that which of the above statements are correct. And the correct answer is, as we got this, statement 1 and 3 is correct. Statement 1 is the Finance Commission to Article 280, মানে 280 number article under that. Our 3 number statement to the Commission addresses the imbalances that arise between the taxation powers and expenditure responsibilities of the center and states, respectively. মানে সহজ অৰ্থত ক'বলৈ গ'লে এই যে ফাইনেন্স কমিশন আছে আৰ্টিকল 280 আন্ডাৰত ইয়াৰ মেইন কামে হৈছে সেন্টাৰ আৰু ষ্টেটৰ মাজত যেটো ৰেভিনিউজ কে ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউশন যেনেকে হ'ব হেতু ওপৰত মানে ৰিকমেন্ডেশন দিয়াটো আৰু ইয়াত কোনো ধৰণৰ ex officio members নাথাকে হেতু কাৰণে সেকেন্ড টু ভুল and because it is constituted afresh after every 5 years মানে 5 বছৰৰ মূৰে ইয়াক বনাই থকা হয় আকৌ. So there are no ex officio members of the commissions as such because it is constituted afresh after every 5 years. Besides suggesting the mechanism to share the tax revenues, the commission also lays down the principles for giving out grant in aid to states and other local bodies. Granted aid keneke dibo lage mane ki principle dibo lage state bilagok hetu ei commission, that is finance commission under article 280 decide kore. The commission has to take on itself the job of addressing the imbalances that often arise between the taxation powers and expenditure responsibilities of the center and the states, respectively. So শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব option D, that is article 1 and 3. So 2 number statement to yat ভুল আছিল 2 number statement আকৌ এবাৰ চাই লওক কি আছিল Union Finance Minister acts as the ex officio member of the commission. No, yat কোনো ex officio member si nathake. Let's come to the next question of today's lecture. Consider the following statements regarding Food Corporation of India. It is a first statement. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Second statement, it has primary duty to undertake, purchase, store, transport, distribute, and sell food grains and other foodstuff. Which of the above statements is or are incorrect? Incorrect to hudisaro huddho to hobo 1. Ek number 2 hoise bhul. Haksun janu alok. The Food Corporation of India is an organization created and run by the government of India, and it is a statutory body under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. So as a Food Corporation of India ase etu pura eta statutory body hoy kar under ase Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, Government of India under. So Government of India ya create or run korise aru yar main duty to hoise to undertake the purchase, store, move or transport, distribute and sell food grains and other food stuffs. Purchase kora, store kora, transport ba move, distribute, sell kora a food items bilak, right? Here je ami hudisile incorrect kuntu. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. To Vulcan Ministry to hoise yat beleg, that is Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. Actually, it regulates this Food Corporation of India body. Okay, so coming to the next question. A bill is not deemed to be a money bill if it provides for 1. Imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties to receive of money on account of the public account of India. 3. Imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. You need to select the correct answer code, go through the option, and the correct answer in this case is C, that is 1 and 3 are correct. So, আমি এতিয়া জানিব লাগিব মনি বিলৰ কথা। Article 110 of the Constitution, মনত ৰাখিব 110 নম্বৰ আৰ্টিকলে ডিফাইন কৰিছে এই মনি বিলৰ কথাটো। সো ইয়াতে মই আপোনালোকক এটা প্ৰশ্ন সুধিব বিচাৰিম যেটো আপোনালোকে কমেন্টৰ জৰিয়তে মোক উত্তৰ দিব। হেতু হৈছে আমাৰ বাজেটখন কোনটো আৰ্টিকলত মেনশন আছে আৰু বাজেট শব্দটো কি কনস্টিটিউশনত মেনশন আছে নে আন কিবা নাম কনস্টিটিউশনত মেনশন আছে। Okay, you got my question, comment the answer. So let's come back to it. Article 110 of the Constitution deals with the definition of money bills. It states that a bill is deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of the following matters, and that matters are imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, regulation of any tax. Impose kora ba abolish kori dia, remission kora ba alteration ba regulation kora jikono tax hetu etu matter ahe a money bill or matter. Okay, regulation of the borrowing of money by the union government hetu ahibo iman borrow korise hetu regulation koratu. The custody of the consolidated fund of India or the contingency fund of India or the payment of money into or the withdrawal of money from any such fund, consolidated fund or ba contingency fund or pora e bilako ahibo withdraw ba tat he bilak fund or pora jodi kiba payment withdraw korise hekhini ahibo regulation to. Okay, custody to ahibo. Then appropriation of money out of the consolidated fund of India, declaration of any expenditure charged on the consolidated fund of India or increasing the amount of any such expenditure, the receipt of money on account of consolidated fund of India or the public account of India or the custody or issue of such money or the audit of accounts of the union or of a state or any matter incidental to any other matters that specified above. However, a bill is not to be deemed to be a money bill if by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties. Tetia nohobo ekhon bill money bill buli kobo norim ami. The demand or payment of fees or licenses or fees for services rendered, the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. So local authority kiba bill or related tax or related hekhini ami yar underot consider nokoru. Fine ba tumar tenuka dhৰণৰ pecuniary penalties খিনি consider nokoru. Demand of payment of for license or karone hekhiniও আমি consider nokoru. So সুধিছিল প্ৰশ্নটো যে কোনখিনি শুদ্ধ আমি এক নম্বৰটো দেখিলি imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties এটো include কৰা নহয় কাৰণে এটো কাৰণ এখন a bill is not deemed to be a money bill if it provides for যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু include কৰে এখন money bill নহব, right? Then receipt of money on account of the public account of India etu hoy etu lagibo of course, ঠিক আছে. So second to শুদ্ধ, third second to শুদ্ধ in the sense that etu বস্তু থাকিলে এখন bill money bill হবো. So etu প্ৰশ্নৰ আন্ডাৰত etu থাকিব না লাগিব. Then third, imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes, local authority. So direct cancel. So 1 and 3 এই দুটা থাকিলে বিলখন not deemed to be a money bill. Money bill বুলি আমি ডিম কৰিব নোৱাৰিম, কনসিডাৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰিম, ঠিক আছে। দুইটো কিন্তু money bill ৰ এটা কোৱালিটি 110 নম্বৰ আৰ্টিকলত ইয়াৰ মেনশন আছে আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব আৰ্টিকল এইটো অপচন টু C 1 and 3 are correct. So C is the correct answer, and with this I'm ending today's lecture. Thank you very much and joy home.